Oh man, there he is.
Hey everybody, I am here working with my friend Mario, and we're gonna be doing our last set. We have 3 sets of the workout that you're about to see. Now this kid already went and ran a mile. Now we're jumping into action with our weights. He's gonna start with a coupling of a bent over row into a hammer curl. Our back muscles are the primary beneficiaries of the bent over row. And as they increase in strength, your posture will also improve. While it directly stimulates your lats and traps and rhomboids, it hits the rotator cuffs. It just works wonders for the posterior chain of the body. Mario is being tasked with coupling the row with a hammer curl. The hammer curls target the long head of the bicep, as well as the brachialis, which is another muscle in the upper arm, and the brachioradialis, which is one of the key forearm muscles. Hi, Dog. That's my dog creeping in through the door. Now, Mario's going to be doing a sandbag back squat. The sandbag or barbell back squats have the same benefits. They meet basically 3 very important criteria for muscle building. They're a compound exercise, so that demands a lot from your, in this case, quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, hip flexors, calves, abdominals, and it's also what drives higher levels of testosterone and growth hormone, which can support muscle building. Now, the back squats specifically target the posterior chain, or the back of your body. And like I had just said, it's like your lower back, your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads. But just so that you understand the difference between a back squat or a front-loaded squat, the front squats zone in on the anterior or front chain, and it's great for the quadriceps and your upper back. So Mario is working the posterior chain here with his first 3 exercises. So here's his 3rd exercise. It's the seated cable row. It's a pulling exercise. It works your back muscles in general, but particularly the latissimus dorsi, or your lats. It also works the forearm muscles and the upper arm muscles, as the biceps and triceps are dynamic stabilizers for this exercise. Lateral lunges. Now this is so you can have a well-rounded leg experience today. The lateral lunges develop balance and stability as well as strength. They work your inner and outer thighs, your abductors and adductors, and may even help to reduce the appearance of cellulite. They lean you out, they tone you. Side lunges train your body to move side to side, obviously, but it's a nice change from your body's normal forward or rotating movement.
How much weight we doing?
60s,
Yeah.
120 in total.
120 in total, okay.
So the chest press targets your pectorals, your deltoids, and your triceps, builds muscle and strength. It works your serratus anterior, or your bat wings, and biceps. So developing this upper body strength and power can help with daily activities like pushing a shopping cart, or heavy doors, mowing a lawn, pushing a stroller, or things like that.
Way to go, kiddo. Way to go.
Thank you.
And now Mario's going to do reverse lunges, and I've asked him to hold some 15-pound kettlebells, just so, again, the functional aspect is there. If you had to carry something and kneel or stand up after picking something up from a kneeling position. So in addition to his quadriceps, his core, his glutes, his hamstrings are also going to get work. One of the reasons I like the reverse lunge is because it puts less stress on the joints than the forward lunge. It gives you a bit more stability in your front leg. Now, Mario doesn't have any knee concerns, difficulty balancing, or limited hip mobility. But if he did, the reverse lunge would be ideal for folks who had those concerns. Now, he already ran a mile. You remember I said that in the beginning? He's done plenty of forward propelling. So that's why, again, I'm optioning the reverse lunges to balance out the training routine. So now Mario's doing the triceps pull down. So while the triceps pull down strengthens your arms, it also enhances general pressing strength. So it's a nice complement to what we just did on the chest press. Notice that our first exercises were all posterior chain and now we're anterior chain. So this exercise will ultimately improve not just your triceps strength, but the performance of the shoulders and the chest muscles because they are secondary muscle groups involved in this motion. And then we just do a set of biceps at the end. He's doing 3 sets of everything. So we already did biceps with our row to hammer curl, but I'm just giving him a finisher here to max everything out. And then I think we did Sally crunches and he went home. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you like our videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.